day and welcome to this Facebook ads video. So this video I'll basically be showing you a simple straightforward explanation of Facebook ads, how to run ads that convert. Now look at this, my Facebook account. You see something that says account error, account error. When I started out with Facebook ads, point of this whole stuff is so that you learn some mistakes I made, so you know how to make those mistakes. So when I started out with Facebook ads, I made some mistakes, and one of those mistakes was I went straight to adding my card details so that I will pay with my debit card, and that thing affected my account. So there was no way I could pay because Nigerian banks don't allow you to pay. You have to use a PayU method. So I'm saying this now, when you want to run your ads, make sure that after setting up everything, you don't pay directly, you use PayU. Otherwise you are going to have this issue. Let me show you. If I'm going to come to my billings, I'm going to see that I have outstanding debt that I have not paid till now. Why? Because I have to use PayU. I had to use debit card and it did not work for me. Then later the method I used to solve the problem was a virtual card, and virtual cards are not very good. I should explain why, but then I'm going to leave that for my Facebook ads course. If you really want to understand how you should set up your account so that you don't make the same mistakes I made, or if you've made the mistake, how you can recover your account so that you can start running ads without using your debit card by using PayU, even if your ad account has been restricted or your ad account has been showing account error because you didn't complete your payment. You have to get my Facebook ads course. That's where I will show you everything about setting up your ad account, recovering your ad account, troubleshooting your ad account, and even sustaining your ad account when you have even made some mistakes so that it doesn't affect you. What I mean is, for instance, I made this mistake, but I still use my Facebook account to still run profitable ads, and I still pay with PayU. So there's a way to do it. Even if you have made the mistake, you can still pay with PayU and get what you want to get. Alright, so that being said, I'm just going to show you a simple explanation of how to run ads. I'm going to come to create. Once you've signed up, you've set up your Facebook ad account, and you've chosen your payment method as PayU, you have to come and choose whichever ad you want to run. You can run a traffic engagement. So traffic will just pull in a number of a large number of people, a large number of visits to your link, to your website. Engagement will just give you people who are likely to like your post, comment on your post. This one is for people who are interested in installing apps. This one is for video views. So you run an ad on Facebook, and Facebook will show that ad to people who are most likely to watch your video. Lead generation is a kind of form that Facebook will give you that you will use to run ad, and what is going to happen is people are going to fill that form and they are going to come into your lead funnel. You can also run messages ads. So a message ad is an ad that you run just to get people to actually respond to you or to send you a message. You have conversions ad. A conversion ad is actually an ad that you use to actually convert people. Maybe you want to make sales on your website or your product. You just run the ad so that people are going to actually buy the product. Catalog sales, store traffic, they are also kind of ads that you run to get people to actually buy. So that being said, you have to just choose one, and I'm going to go with traffic. So then this is where you can now name the campaign. You can call this let's call this our cryptocurrency campaign. So let's name this crypto ad set. Let's name this crypto. Then we just move forward. Sorry about the noise, it's actually raining in my area, and I've decided that I'm going to still shoot this video no matter what, so bear with me please. Okay, so these special ad categories, always avoid it. It's just for people who want to run ads that are for special situations like employment, credit card, housing, social issues, and elections. Then A/B testing is for split testing. So that's when you want to test your ad. That means you want to run an ad and you want to test it so that you know what is going to work. But there's a right way to do split testing. If you want to really understand Facebook ads, it's not just going to be in this course. This course is just going to give you a walkthrough on how to run ads, just know how it works. But then if you really want to understand it so you don't make mistakes and you run ads that convert, you need to get my Facebook ads course. But then if you are okay with this, no problem. So A/B testing is just for testing your ad campaign so you know what is going to work. Budget optimization, you can choose to use it, you can choose not to use it. This is where you just tell Facebook that this is the amount of money I want you to spend maximum. So once you've done that, you are just going to press next. So let's remove this. We are going to press next. So since we are running a traffic ad, it's going to show us link clicks. We can choose a budget. You can be asking me what is the minimum amount of money I should spend, what's the minimum budget I should use. It depends on your business, but avoid 500 naira. Only use, even if you want to use 1000, only use 1000 to test. Maybe you are not very sure at all. So once you've gotten what you want to get, start moving to 2000, 2535. That's how you should run your ad. Then you can pick people you want to pick. So let me just, this audience is an audience I used a long time ago when my ad account was still okay, before I made the mistake and I had the issue. But then it doesn't mean I can't run ads with this account. I can still run ads, but I have to use a virtual card, and for me virtual card is not profitable, so I just stopped using this ad account. I use another ad account. There's a way to still do it. I was still able to recover my account and I was still able to run ads even though my account was blocked, my account was hacked. In fact, I even made personal mistakes that allowed Facebook not to let me run ads. As you can see, when you check my account, you see account error, so all my ads will not be running. But there's still a way I got over it and I was still able to run ads. So let's just create a new audience, because this audience is very old. In fact, many of the interests and behaviors are no more on Facebook. So choose country. Let's leave it at Nigeria. We can target locations. Lagos. Let's pick Lagos. Let's pick Calabar. So let's just pick these two. You can pick anyone you want to pick. So that's just depending on the kind of audience you want to reach. So let's leave this at 23. Let's just leave it like that. So this place is where you target people's behaviors. You can say you want to target only people who are interested in cryptocurrency. Let's see, to show us something. Is there no crypto in this stuff? Oh my, so there's no cryptocurrency. Wow. Let's try forex. Or maybe Facebook doesn't allow crypto ads. I'm not so sure. It's possible they don't allow crypto ads, but that's one of the things. Before you run ads, you need to read their policy. Make sure that you read everything and you understand everything effectively so that you know what works. Let's just pick something general. Let's try online shopping. So online shopping. So you can tick this because you want to tell Facebook that they should try as much as possible to reach people that are beyond those who you are targeting, if it will help you get better performance. Then this manual placement, this is where you choose where you want your ads to be placed. Placement, Facebook will just be showing your ads anywhere they want, so you have to tick it. Then you can remove this. I only leave Instagram, Facebook. Depending on the type of ad you are running, you can just remove these all devices and put the device you want. Then once you are done, you press next. Remember, I'm saying this is just a basic understanding of Facebook ads. Facebook is very complex. There are many things I'm not mentioning. Many of all these words you are saying, many of all these things you are saying, they require explanation, and that's not what I can do in this very short course. But I believe even though you are still getting value, and even aside from that, many of the things that I'm teaching you are still things that you can still use to start up, so you can still be able to start out with this and run your ads and get results. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come here and then choose add image. Remember we designed an image. Okay, let's not choose add image. Instead, let's use a video. There are two things you can actually do. You can actually select the Facebook page you want, but you can only select a page based on a page that you have access to. If you don't have access to the page, you cannot select it. So you now have to select an Instagram account you have access to. Then you can choose to use create ad or use existing post. So this is where you now use a post in one of these accounts, maybe your Facebook account or your Instagram account. Then so since we are using manual ad, we are using create ad, we are going to have to upload the image that we want to upload. So we come here and choose video, because I want to use a video. I want to actually upload that video that we made. I mean that first video ads. If you can still remember. Okay, this is the video. So you just select this. Facebook is going to take a little time to upload the video. So it's taking time. So this is where you now add the link. You can, maybe your link is let's just try www.cravingforminds.com, because that's the name of my website. You just type this there. Just leave this, it doesn't matter. The call to action, you can put it as sign up. Then our video is still loading. This is where you add your primary text. So I want it to load so that you can really understand what I'm trying to say. So as you can see now, this is how the ad looks. So what we do now, we just add our text. You can say learn cryptocurrency. Okay, this is not a good headline. We can say discover the secrets to making money with cryptocurrency. You can say learn how to buy the dip. Is this how they spell dip? No, I think this is how they spell dip. And sell your stocks. I don't know what I'm saying. Cryptocurrency is not my niche. I'm just trying to be creative. So once you've done this, you can now say sign up for the free training below. Free class available to 30 sign-ups only. So this is to create a sense of scarcity so that they buy. This is copywriting. This is a very shitty copy. This is not a good copy. This is just something spontaneous to help you understand better. So you can see this is how your stuff is going to look on Facebook. So you can come here and do whatever it is you want to do. And my website already has a pixel, so this is where I come to add the pixel. I don't know if the pixel is going to be available in this account, because this is not the account I use for my pixel or whatever. So Facebook event, that's where you add your event and other things. Okay, so it's not showing actually because this account is not linked to the pixel. That's one of the things that you are going to learn in the advanced Facebook ads plus copywriting masterclass. So I will teach you how to set up Facebook pixel. I will teach you how to write copies that convert. And I also teach you how to be a freelance Facebook ads copywriter. So when you are done, you can come here. Yeah, this place is also important. You can say learn cryptocurrency in 1 week. I'm not sure Facebook ads accepts ads on cryptocurrency, but you need to just be sure. Anything you want to run ads on, go and read their policy very well, so that you know that this ad is going to be accepted. So you can see this learn cryptocurrency 1 week. This is where it shows. So you can now add another where is it taken? You can add another text under the class that helped 512 students make $1,000 with cryptocurrency. Why this other description is good is because if you are on Instagram, this other description is going to show easily. Then this is where you now add your link. You can call this www.nosite.com. so then change this to whatever call to action you want to use. Learn more, buy now. I don't think there's buy now. Learn more, shop now. Just use sign up. So once you've done that, I think there's something missing. I think that is all. What is missing? I think that is all. It's going to save, then you'll be able to click publish. I don't know if it's going to allow me to click publish because this ad account is actually having issues. So I'm just using this ad account so that you can really understand what Facebook ads is. So you can see all edits saved. It's supposed to show me publish. So once you are done, you see this publish, you click publish, and that's it. But my own is showing setup error because my account is having issues. Okay, invalid link URL. Yeah, so that's one of the reasons the link is not correct. Correct the param. Yeah, because this link is not correct. Let's add an original link. Let's use let's see if it's going to show it now. But really, that's just it. There's no much stress again. Once you've done everything, you are going to see this publish button. You click it, then your ad is already running. But it's not going to run immediately. They are going to have to approve it, and depending on the day that you run your ad, that you publish it, if it is during the weekend, if it's on Friday, it's going to take a longer time. But if it is during the week, like Monday to Wednesdays, Monday to Thursdays, your ad is going to be easy for you to actually get faster review. So that's going to be all in this video. Hope you got value, and if you got value, if you have been getting value from this class, please let me know. You can see pay now. This account has a balance that needs to be paid before you can. So that is why I can't publish, because I've not paid the money. Do you get? So that is why. If your own account is okay, you'll be able to pay. So you get the idea now. So thanks for watching. Like I was saying, if you are getting value from any of these videos, please always send me a message. I will always appreciate your feedback so that I know that you're actually enjoying the course. So that's going to be all in this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.